Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can transfer the ownership or leadership of a team project on Jira. So let us dive right into it. It is actually a matter of a few clicks, guys. So access your Jira account, and after that head over to the given team project you would like to change the leadership or ownership for. So let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. And after that, click into these three dots next to it to access its project settings here from the drop-down menu. And after that, simply scroll down here in your project settings and details till you get to the project leadership field. Click into it and simply assign a new project owner. Now, of course, the given owner or leader will have to be part of your project itself, of course, so that you may select him or her from that list. Click on to save here at the bottom to assign that new project leadership. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.